Hey gang, just a quick video to wrap up this TQQQ trade. It's a triple Q trade and it worked out extremely well. In 6 trading days, I've made 2,000 bucks on it roughly. I'm gonna just show you how I exit the position, and then I'm gonna show you the wrap of the math. So I'll show you the wrap up of all the math and what we did in just a second. So let me just explain what we did. We bought the May 2nd, that expires this Friday in a couple more days. So today's Tuesday. 10 of those, so it's 1,000 shares, 10 contracts, okay? We paid $10.87 and they're now worth $24.02. Go us. So the base position went up. That's important to remember because a lot of people ask, well, you're losing money if the stock goes up, if it goes over your strike price. No, you're not. And when it goes over the strike price, you make your maximum amount in a covered call. And so once you wrap your head around that, you'll see that we're in this for the income, for the juice. And once you understand that, then everything works out pretty well. Now, so we bought these 10 contracts, and I'm going to go ahead and get out of the whole position right now, and here's why. Because we shorted 10 contracts, that's 1,000 shares, at the 45, okay? Well, when we did it, it was in the money a little bit, and now it's run up because those have gone from 588, which is what we received in premium, so $5,883 in premium that we received because a lot of it was in the money amount, and now it's worth $10,200, okay? So that's doubled in value. Well, that doesn't work so well when you're short. But on the long side, we went from 10.87 to 24. So that offset. That's what happens in every covered call if it goes over the strike price. Now we did a roll in between, and I'm going to give you the math in just a second. But here's why I'm getting out of the position. We got 583. I think we got I can't remember exactly, more than $1 in juice. And now the juice is, the extrinsic value is the same thing as the juice. It's only worth 11.5 cents. So I want to get out of this whole position. It's bouncing between 11 and 18, but that's a lot less than I got because it's way in the money. So the juice has been squozen out of it, and now you're left with just the profit because when you sell high, you buy back low. I'm buying back here on Tuesday afternoon at 2:08. And so when I do that, I'm going to get the profits. Let me just go ahead and exit this trade, and I'll show you what the math looks like in just a second. Here we go. So I'm buying back the calls that are against what I have. Now I'm selling the calls that are deep. I'm just going to create a closing order, sell them, selling at the market, and send those. Monitor and make sure nothing's in there now. Nothing's in there. See, the quantity is 0. So here's the math part of the video. All right, so what you see on the screen here is my spreadsheet. I just dumped all the trades that were a TQQ, and I put them in the spreadsheet. Now that there's nothing left, the position's been closed. So let me just show you what I did. I bought on the 21st of April from the suggestion of one of my mastermind members. He says, take a look at this TQQ. I normally don't look at it because it's too risky. And I was like, wait a minute here, hang on. There's too much juice in it. It was like 11% for the first week, and then on the second week, it was 14%. Craziness for just a few days. So I bought these 31 deep in the money calls. They just went out 2 weeks. And here's what I paid for them, $10.87. But they went up so much in value, they went to $23.85. So that's where the profit is located here on this covered call. This is instructive for you because if you think that you're losing money when the call goes over the strike price, you're wrong. And even ChatGPT, by the way, thinks that that's the case. I was having a long debate with ChatGPT. I've named her Sarah. So me and Sarah were going back and forth. She's like, you're losing money when it goes over the strike price. I'm like, you're not losing money. You're in this for the juice. And so it's even ChatGPT is screwed up on this. And so I get it if you don't understand. It's completely understandable that you don't get it. But look at this. The base position went up from from 10.87 to 24 bucks. Okay, that's where the gain was. But we also got some gain in the extrinsic value, the juice of the call. So we sold to open 380, but since it went up, we had to buy them back at 1060. Yeah, that cost us money to buy them back. I call that working capital. Well, there's worse things than having to spend working capital to make profit, but that's life. So, we got $37.93, but we had to spend 10 to buy it back. Okay, so we lost 6 on that first roll, but remember, there was not much juice in it when I rolled. I only rolled a couple days later. Look, 2 days later, the thing sprung up, and I made money. So what I did was I rolled to the next one. See that? Same day, I rolled from the 39s to the 45s, and I got 588, okay? And so when it went up from 588, it went up today, it's today I sold it I bought it back for 10.11. So I got 5,876 for it, and it cost me 10,000 to buy it back. Oh my God, that's the worst thing that could happen. No, I lost $4,000 on that trade. So you take those two losses and you add them to the gain that I got in the base position, and I got it all summarized right here. The base position, I made 12,966 on, and I lost 11,053 on. Overall, in 6 days of trading, right, not even, I made $1,912.32, okay? And I really invested $10,000, and this went up to 23, but, it was held back by my short calls. Gosh, if I'd have known it was going to go up, Mark, why didn't you just buy the calls and just hope it was... Like, I don't play that game. I'm playing this for the income. So if you're worried about, oh, it's going to get called away from you, or, oh, it's going to go over your strike, or all these other things that a lot of you people are saying that, some of you are even mean about it. You're like, oh, you're an idiot. You don't know what you're talking about. Well, here's the math, right? So when this started, I was just a little bit in the money with these 31s, and it went to like 55, which is where it is today, 51 to 55. Somewhere, it's way above the money. And when it goes up the money, you get all your profit. You get all your profit, right? Because the profit is in the juice. I didn't really make the money in the base position because it was offset by my short calls. When you squeeze it all out, the thing that comes out the bottom of the squishy thing that you're squeezing is the juice. And that's the profit. So that's the total profit on this wonderful trade. Looks like about 20% I made on this trade over 6 trading days. So I hope you're starting to get the picture. This is an advanced video. So if you haven't watched any of my other videos, sorry for not explaining the way the strategy works. Go watch some of my simpler videos, but this is what we do every week. We go in, we find a target, we buy the stock, or we buy the in-the-money call or whatever, and then we sell calls against it. And we have to change our mindset from, I'm trying to buy low and sell high, or you're losing money when it goes over your strike price, to, we want it to go over your strike price. I don't care if it goes up $1 billion over my strike price, I'm still going to make $1,900. That was how the trade was designed at the very beginning, and that's how the trade has finished out at the end. Up about $2,000 on this nice little trade. Hope you like that. I'll see you soon. Bye. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of losing money in the stock market? Are you tired of watching your portfolio go nowhere while the markets swing up and down? Or maybe you handed your hard-earned money to a financial advisor, hoping they'd help you grow it, only to be disappointed by high fees and underwhelming returns? I get it. I've seen it all. And that's exactly why I created the Cash Flow Machine Elite course, to put the power back in your hands. This isn't just a theory. This is real, in-depth training on how to generate consistent weekly income from your existing portfolio using covered calls, just like the ones you see in my videos, but at a whole other level. Every week, you could be generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars in premium income, enough to easily pay for this course in a matter of weeks, and more importantly, enough to build a life where your money works for you and not the other way around. Let's be clear, this course isn't for everyone. It's not for people looking to get lucky. But if you got a decent sized portfolio and you're ready to stop hoping and start earning, then you owe it to yourself to invest in the knowledge that can change everything. The Elite course is now open. The results speak for themselves. Click on the link below and let's build your cash flow machine together. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.